That's the one which reported numbers about 2:30. Vinny?
Yes, so talking about Sun Pharma in terms of numbers, it was an inline set of numbers that came in from the company. Revenue growth of 9%, EBITDA margins coming in at 29.6% versus a 21.6%. So year-on-year basis, a sharp uptick in terms of the EBITDA margins, but versus estimates, it's in line with what we were expecting. Profits, that's where the beat came in, and profits came in at around 3,040 crores versus around 2,557 crores last year, an uptick of around 19%. What led to this profit beat was because the forex gain, there's a forex gain of 128 crores during the quarter versus last year there was a forex loss of 34 crores. Other than that, key triggers, US sales, that was better than what one was expecting. US formulation sales came in at $517 million, whereas we were expecting around a $480 million in terms of US formulation sales. A global specialty side business, that also has done well. We were expecting a growth of around 15-16% in terms of revenue. It came in at 19.2%. So yes, growth was better there, and that leads to better margins because this global specialty business, that's higher margin business, and that is why a slight bit of an uptick leading and aided mainly by this global specialty business. Other than that, emerging markets saw a muted growth of around 3%. Rest of the world saw a bit of a decline of around 3.5%. India, though, managed to see a growth of 11%, so in line with what the street was expecting. Research and development expense, keep an eye out on that because that is 6% of the total revenue. The company had given a guidance for FY25 of 8 to 10% of the spending. So that is something that we'll watch out for in terms of clarity, but all in all, an inline set of numbers.
All right, thanks a lot for that, Vinny. By the way, just wanted to make one quick point. First Source is flying away.